Hi there, Gary here at Restore Solutions. Well, here today I talked about some of our range of instruments that we have. So, let's start with Trotec. We bring in Trotec from Germany. We have particle counters, distance meters, video scopes, we have anemometers. So we have a lot of range of instruments that we bring in from Trotec in Germany. Fantastic company owned from Dan Thurn Group, the largest restoration supply company in the world. So Dan Thurn Group here, we have our Simplify setup here. Our Simplify is a monitoring setup, and we have these monitors to be able to monitor your jobs and monitor your equipment, that it's being efficient and doing the correct job while you're at the office or the jobs are distance away. We have a fantastic monitoring system called Simplify from Dan Thurn Group. Also, we have our A3 tester, now from Kikkoman in Japan. So Kikkoman have an A3 tester that does AMP, ADP and ATP testing with different types of swabs to tell you whether you've cleaned the area correctly. It gives you a snapshot in time of how clean that you've left your cleaning job. Then we have UbiBot. UbiBot is also another monitoring system, works on a data sim, and you have a couple of sensors that you can run, and you can monitor from an app on your mobile phone or certainly from your computer, where the jobs are distance away, and you can monitor whether your equipment is running or still running correctly. So these are some of our instruments that we run. So check out restoresolutions.com.au for further information about some of our instruments. Thanks for watching.